book is called Cold as Ice, and it's an urban fiction. And it's funny because I had no intentions on writing this book at all. I was bored at work one day and I had nothing to do, so I sat down and I started writing the introduction. And I let one of my coworkers read it, and she was like, "I love it, well, what's next?" And I was like, "What's next?" And she was like, "Yeah, what's next?" And I was like, "Well, nothing." And she was like, "Well, you have to keep going." So I was like, "Okay." So as I sat down, everything just flowed together, and it amazed me. And I would go back and reread, and I would be in awe because I don't believe that I had this talent. I don't think that I knew that I was capable of writing something like this. I think I'm still in disbelief that I can Google myself and see that I have a book. Now that I've done it, I think that this has given me the courage to believe that I can do anything. So my cousin actually messaged me on Instagram about the indie author event, and she was like, I know that you just published this book, and I feel like if you attend this event that it would help you to be able to get more marketing, maybe information, and I just want to get all the exposure I can. And this is actually a wonderful event for local authors. A lot of people are still calling me, texting me, inboxing me, asking me where's part 2. Don't worry, people, it's on the way.